Anthropic's AI breakthrough has sent shockwaves through the tech community, leaving many to wonder, is this our future? As of 2022, Anthropic, a relatively new player in the field, has managed to achieve a monumental feat. Their large language model, Claude, has successfully completed a series of complex tasks with unprecedented accuracy. What's more astonishing is that Claude has surpassed the capabilities of its predecessor, Google's LaMDA, which was thought to be one of the most advanced AI models at the time. But what exactly does this breakthrough mean? To understand the significance of Anthropic's achievement, let's take a step back and explore the evolution of language models. We've seen rapid progress in this field over the past decade, with researchers and engineers pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The milestones have been numerous, from Google's introduction of BERT in 2018 to Meta's release of llama in 2022. Now, let's dive into the details of Anthropic's achievement. In a recent study published in January 2023, researchers at Anthropic demonstrated Claude's capabilities by having it complete complex tasks such as reasoning, inference, and even creative writing. The results were impressive. Claude outperformed human benchmarks in several areas, including question answering, reading comprehension, and language translation. But what sets Claude apart from its predecessors? According to Dr. Dario Amodei, co-founder and CEO of Anthropic, the key lies in the model's architecture and training data. We've developed a new type of large language model that is more capable of reasoning and understanding natural language, he explained in an interview. This breakthrough has sparked excitement among experts and enthusiasts alike, with many speculating about the potential applications of such technology. Now let's explore the first section, how Anthropic's AI breakthrough could revolutionize language understanding. Anthropic's success can be attributed to its novel approach to training language models. Unlike previous approaches that focused on massive datasets and complex architectures, Claude was trained using a technique called few-shot learning. This method involves providing the model with a small number of examples or tasks, which it then uses to generalize and complete more complex tasks. The implications are significant. If Anthropic's approach can be scaled up, it could potentially revolutionize language understanding. For instance, AI-powered language translation systems could become even more accurate, enabling seamless communication across languages and cultures. Moreover, the technology has far-reaching potential in areas such as education, customer support, and healthcare. Anthropic's achievement is not just about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, it also underscores the importance of interdisciplinary research. The company's team includes experts from various fields: computer science, neuroscience, linguistics, and mathematics. This diverse expertise has enabled them to develop a more comprehensive understanding of language and cognition. One notable example is the collaboration between Anthropic researchers and cognitive scientists at Stanford University. Together, they explored the relationship between human cognition and language processing, shedding new light on how our brains process complex information. These findings have significant implications for AI development. If we can better understand the intricacies of human cognition, we may be able to create more effective and efficient language models. Now let's move on to the second section, unpacking the ethics of Anthropic's breakthrough. As with any groundbreaking technology, there are concerns about its potential misuse. Some critics argue that advanced AI models like Claude could exacerbate existing social inequalities or even perpetuate bias. To address these issues, researchers and policymakers must engage in an open and informed discussion. One key aspect is the transparency of the training data used for Claude's development. Anthropic has made efforts to release detailed information about their dataset, including its sources and methodology. However, some experts argue that more needs to be done to ensure accountability and responsibility in AI development. The conversation around AI ethics is ongoing, with many advocating for a more human-centered approach. This involves prioritizing values such as fairness, transparency, and explainability in AI design. For instance, researchers are exploring new techniques for auditing AI systems to detect potential biases or errors. Anthropic's commitment to responsible AI development is reflected in their stated goal, to create AI that benefits society. While there's no one-size-fits-all solution to the challenges posed by advanced AI, collaboration and open communication among stakeholders are essential steps forward. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with language models, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential risks and work towards mitigating them. The third section explores how Anthropic's breakthrough could impact industries. Anthropic's achievement has sparked excitement across industries, from tech giants like Google and Microsoft to startups and small businesses. The potential applications of Claude are vast, from customer support chatbots to language translation software, the possibilities seem endless. However, it's essential to acknowledge that such technology may also disrupt traditional industries. For instance, if AI-powered language models become more prevalent in education, could this lead to a decline in human instructors? Or might we see new opportunities emerge for teachers and educators to focus on higher-level tasks, such as curriculum design or personalized learning? One area where Anthropic's breakthrough has significant implications is customer support. Imagine being able to interact with AI-powered chatbots that can understand natural language and provide accurate responses to complex queries. This could lead to improved customer satisfaction and reduced support costs for businesses. The technology also has far-reaching potential in areas such as content creation, marketing, and social media management. For instance, AI-powered writing tools could enable more efficient content generation, while language translation software could expand global reach for brands and individuals. Now let's examine the fourth section, uncovering the potential risks of Anthropic's breakthrough. While Anthropic's achievement is undeniably impressive, it also raises concerns about potential risks. One key issue is job displacement. As AI models become more advanced, there's a growing risk that human workers could be replaced or augmented by machines. According to a report by the McKinsey Global Institute, up to 800 million jobs could be lost worldwide due to automation between 2020 and 2030. While Anthropic's breakthrough may not directly contribute to these numbers, it does underscore the need for policymakers and industry leaders to address the consequences of AI development. Another concern is the potential for bias or misinformation perpetuated by advanced language models. As we've seen with social media algorithms, even well-intentioned systems can amplify and spread false information. Researchers must continue to work on developing methods for detecting and mitigating such risks. The final section explores the future of Anthropic's breakthrough. Anthropic's achievement is a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration, and it marks only the beginning of what's possible with language models. As we move forward, researchers and engineers will need to navigate complex questions around ethics, accountability, and responsibility in AI development. However, there are also reasons for optimism. If harnessed correctly, Anthropic's breakthrough could bring about unprecedented benefits for society, from improved communication and education to more efficient content creation and customer support. The future of language models is uncertain, but one thing is clear: we're at the cusp of a new era in AI development. As researchers, policymakers, and industry leaders, it's our responsibility to ensure that this technology serves humanity's best interests. Conclusion. Anthropic's AI breakthrough has sent shockwaves through the tech community, leaving many to wonder, is this our future? While there are concerns about potential risks and job displacement, the implications of Claude's capabilities are undeniable. As we move forward, it's essential to acknowledge the potential benefits while addressing the challenges posed by advanced language models. One thing is clear: Anthropic's achievement marks only the beginning of what's possible with AI development. We're at a crossroads. Will we harness this technology for humanity's benefit or succumb to its risks? The choice is ours.